thought me you from with a guy. Said you was real niggas, but you goofy, we know you were right. I ain't so much.
You could tell. It's that time of year, my boy. It's that time of year. Alright. Oh, goddamn. Let's see what time it is. Alright. I told him I'll be on my way right now. Let me spawn and get the address. Alright, so we got about a 30-minute drive, and if you couldn't tell by the title, I did splurge a little bit. I ain't use my mom's money, you know, I had to use my dad's. No, I'm just playing. That title is complete bullshit, just to grab attention. But right now, we did splurge on some parts, and right now we're going to meet my guy. He had a Supra, but it ended up getting totaled, sadly. So he gave me a good deal. We're buying a couple of goodies off of him. I think that's what I'm gonna leave off with for the rest of the winter. And I have a couple other cosmetic things coming, so I'm still waiting on those to be delivered. But right now, I'm about to head over to Quincy, in the Boston area, guys. I'm about to get the shop done, and you guys just stay tuned and see what I got, you feel me? But the thumbnail might give it away, not too sure, but we got a couple of things. So I'm actually running a little late, so we gotta head out. All right, what time is it? It is 5:36, and we just got here. Homeboy isn't here yet, but the guy that's supposed to be doing my exhaust, putting it on for me, oh my god, I guess I just snitched. But the guy that's doing it for me is inside. I'm just waiting for my boy. I'm buying the parts off to pull up. So I'm just here parked at their gas station, even though I'm not getting fucking gas. Right now I'm just waiting on him to respond. He told me he's 4 minutes away. That was like a minute ago, so that's not focusing. So we're just gonna wait here till he pulls up. I think his Supra's here, so we're gonna see the Supra. But he did say all the parts is off. Somebody's in the window right there. I don't know. Y'all can see he's hiding. But they did say all the parts is off, so I got a bunch of goodies, so we gonna see. Hopefully this exhaust gets put on today, because I do not have my dad's truck. I do not have his truck to be able to carry my stock exhaust. So we're gonna throw on the aftermarket, and then I'm gonna come back tomorrow and pick up my stock exhaust from these guys. But right now we're just gonna wait for my boy to pull up. I know what I said, but your boy, the exhaust and everything is in the back. He gave me a bunch of other goodies like the buffeters, carbon fiber, blah blah blah, but yo, HKS intake, carbon fiber, baby. And I also got a dual Tomei exhaust from him. And I also got these, I got charge pipes, bro. Charge pipes look so beautiful. But anyways, he gave me WeatherTech floor mats. We got a mat for the back. And right now I'm about to be on my way back to the crib. I couldn't get the exhaust installed, and it's in pieces. So what I'm probably gonna do is I'm probably just gonna take it to get installed tomorrow by Weezy or somebody. I don't know, or maybe even lose. I don't know. I'm gonna just get it done somehow. But yeah, dog. Alright, y'all, so it's next day. Your boy is out of work right now. I'm heading to Lou's Exhaust, seeing if they can throw on my exhaust for me and other shit. I'm gonna I'm gonna install the charge pipe and intake today. Try to get that done and some other shit. So right now we're gonna head there, see what they can do for me, and we're just gonna call it a day like that. So quick change of plans. Right now I'm riding through the hood. I think it's Roxbury going to Dorchester or whatever. Riding through the hood. So I just spoke to fucking Lou's Custom Exhaust. He told me he got 2 cars. He can't really do that. He got to do it in the morning. But your boy got work. We work every day. So I told him I can't do that. So I hit my boy Dylan up. Y'all know Dylan. Dylan always come through. So we're going to hang with Dylan. In the meantime, I got to link Dylan at 5. Right now it's 2:24. So in the meantime, I'm going to just install the intake and the charge pipe, and we're going to go from there. So while we wait for Dylan to give me the green light to pull up, we're going to go ahead and try to install the HKS intake. So right now I'm going to go ahead and get this set up outside and start removing everything. I'm not really going to go too into detail with everything, like being installed, because I'm just, listen, I'm learning as we go, especially on a BMW type car. Never really had a BMW, so we learn as we go, and we're gonna go take care of business. This is the stock, baby, we about to open up today. Gonna take this out. Right now we're just gonna lift this up. So it turns out we're missing a bolt, but my boy Dylan, we're gonna slide on him with the exhaust and see if his dealership has it.
He get the bend's already on there.
Yeah, and there's also some other clamps in the box. That's what you
Box.
right there.
What you mean?
Like there's like this big ass. You'll see. Everything else. Sheesh. Okay, so like these clamps.
Oh, we saw that other shit.
That's just intake and charge pipe. Sheesh. How you doing?
Going back to the stock?
Nah, I'm going aftermarket. That shit is. Oh, right here. Damn, bro. That brake. 30.
10.
Come on, focus. There we go. Shit, still burning, huh?
Wait, how is this?
Aftermath. All in, baby. Thanks to Dylan. Got your boy Paul here. Oh, man. So what's good, y'all? It's a couple, like almost 12 hours after the install of the exhaust, and Bro, I'm loving it. I'm about to get you a start right now. The car is not cold, so it's not a cold start. God damn. Your boy just got out of his overnight job. We heading to valet right now. If you guys don't know, I work overnight all week, 6 days a week, and then during the week, 5 days a week, I go to construction union. So I do that, and then on the weekends I do valet. I'm not sure, that probably might change, but that's what I do if I haven't told you guys. But right now I'm on my way to 631. I should have been left, but you know, we really don't give a fuck. But yo, this exhaust and intake combo sounds fucking amazing, boy. Sounds amazing. Just wanted to get a few clips while I'm riding to work real quick. Tell everybody wake their ass up. Rashad's here, nigga. Wake your ass up. But yeah, y'all, I got a couple of other parts that's coming too, so just wait on it. And I also have some parts I didn't install. Like I have the charge pipe I didn't install, but I'm probably gonna take care of it probably Monday or Sunday. I'm gonna just make sure this video goes up, you know, because I said it would. And yo, my Insta has been popping lately, so if you're not following me at Topshada, bro, I don't know what you're doing, man, because that's where everything gets leaked first before I even post on YouTube, you feel me? I post more on Instagram than anything else. So if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe, bro, and make sure you follow on that IG. My boy, stay updated with me and what I do. And I also answer DMs. Like, I got a lot of people, I still got questions about my Type R. Like, a lot of people are still watching the Type R videos, and I get a lot of questions about those in my DMs, and I make sure to answer those. So anything, feel free, you can hit me. But I'm gonna enjoy this ride to work, blast some music early in the morning, wake up the neighborhood. And I appreciate y'all for tuning in. More to come, baby.